Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put the headphones in a pairing mode, okay? So let me go ahead and turn this over here. Let me first turn these off.
Power off.
Okay, so these are currently off, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and turn these back on, and I'm going to turn it on now. I'll know if it's in pairing mode if it eventually says pairing, and then also I see a blue blinking light here, okay? So let me press and hold. Let's turn it on and see what happens.
Power on.
Power on. Connected, it said, and I get a solid blue light there. So mine's not in pairing mode. I'm connected to one of my phones here. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode, okay? So what I gotta do is just double tap this power button here. Ready? 1, 2.
Pairing.
It says pairing, and now I get a blue blinking light right there. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our computer and just do a search for Bluetooth down there. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth and other device settings right there. Now from here, make sure you select Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on there, and then we're going to tap up here, add Bluetooth other device, hit that plus sign, and then we're going to select the first one up here which says Bluetooth. Now you see this line going across there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So the headphones are still in the pairing mode, and hopefully it shows up here. Oh, there you go. The JBL Tune 670 NC under audio. Okay, so that's the one that we want. So let's select that.
Connected.
Headphones just said connected, and we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in pairing mode or you couldn't connect it or had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.